Well, everybody, I just...
Alexander and northeastern Scott counties. At 7:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Kelso to 7 miles southwest of Olive Branch, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. A wind gust to 60 miles per hour was measured at the Cape Girardeau Airport in Scott County at 7:39 p.m. The storm is capable of wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Scott City, Anna, Jonesboro, Mounds, Dongola, Thames, Olive Branch, Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area, Olin, Thebes, Pulaski, and Mill Creek. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains
Okay,
in
guys,
effect
severe
until
weather
8:15
statement.
p.m. for the following counties.
Now there's that. Now I have to stop this. Where's my converter box remote? Okay, here it is. Alright, guys. So now WSIL is back to regular programming, and guys, you're going to see me how I started recording. It's not too hard. If KFVS is on here, which I hope they are. What's going on here? Come on. Hang on, guys. I'm going to reset the box. Okay. What the heck is happening? Okay. Well, guys, I guess no KFVS. What is wrong with my converter box? Okay. Let's see if it'll work now. Oh, well.